everyone, welcome to QueenDeeFitness. If you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit that bell, that way YouTube will notify you every single time I put out a new video. Today, I'm back with a couch workout. That's right, are you a couch potato, or a couch potato, or a sofa potato? This video is for you. Today I'm going to share 5 exercises that you can do on your couch or on your sofa. Which one do y'all say, couch or sofa, or both? I say both. So first I'm going to start off by warming up. I'm going to do some toe touches, and I would say you guys can do this for about 40 seconds on, and then afterwards switch to the other side, and then you're going to rest for 20 seconds. The next exercise are lovely squats. These are more like a little more than half squats for me. It's not my full range of motion squat, but it's still a squat nonetheless. Again, you're gonna do this for 40 seconds on and rest for 20 seconds. The next exercise are straight leg hip raises. You are going to pump this out, you guys. I love this exercise. I just feel like it just feels so good when I do it, but you also get a good burn. The next exercise is a lovely frog pump. I love these two, you guys. These are so effective, and I love incorporating this exercise into my workout. And look, I'm sitting or laying comfortably on my couch. And last but certainly not least, a Bulgarian split squat. Ooh, these burn. I don't care how in shape you are, Bulgarian split squats will always burn, you guys. That's why I saved this one for last. Again, you're gonna do 40 seconds on each leg, switch, rest, and then you're gonna complete another round of this, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!